Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the unable to authenticate payment error on the Depop mobile app. Let's get started. First, make sure to check your internet connection. Scroll down from the top right of your screen. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Sometimes connection issue cause payment error. Go back to the Depop app. Try switching your payment method. For example, if you are using Apple Pay, try using a debit card or PayPal instead. Some banks requires you to approve online payments through the app or with a text code. Check your bank's app, text message or email to see if they are waiting for your approval. If it's still not working, go back to the App Store, tap on your profile and look for update. If Depop need update, tap update, and that's it. That's how to fix the unable to authenticate payment issue on Depop mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.